Coastal has a really simple utility feature called switch. It's just a CSS rule that changes the order of columns for mobile. So for example, usually with this column, I'm going to remove the switch feature from this. You can see it here. It says switch right here. I'm going to delete that. And actually, I need that back open. And you can see when I go to tablet, that section, okay, it re-added it when usually what happens is this would be the first section to show up, and then this one underneath it. But because I have that switch applied to this section, the images go up first above this, and so that's why when I stack this one, the images are first, then the text, which is usually what you want. But let me go in here and remove that feature real quick. So it's on the row of certain sections. Advanced, there it is. I'm just going to cut that, save it, save this page, go over and reload the page here. All right, so now when I go to iPad, it's showing the text first and then the image, which could be what you want. So you could remove that. I'm just going to add it back in. And this works on 2-column rows only. If it has a 3-column row, it'll just switch the first and third column, and so on. So it's a good deal for 2-column rows. It's very nice, especially. Let me undo this here. Let me go to the interior page. Especially a section like, it's on the second home page actually. Like this one here. You want the video, then this, and that's what Divi will do by default. It'll take the left column and stack the right column underneath it. But then you want the opposite for this one. You want this to come first. You want it to go video, text, image, text. And Divi by default is going to go video, text, text, image, which won't look great. So since we have that applied, it's going to stack it nice. The video, text, image, text, that's what you want. And that's because on that row, let me go find that row. This second row here, actually I'll just open up in the Visual Builder. This second row down here has the switch feature turned on. If I take this off, and now I'm going to exit, save and exit. We'll go down here. If I go down to tablet mobile, you can see it's going video, text, text, image, which again could be what you want, but I like having this image here dividing the 2 text pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and go back in and add that switch back in. And you can use this on your other Divi projects. Actually, this code, I'll show you what to grab here if you want to use this on your other Divi projects. You just got to make sure to go into the row and add it. I don't know why. There we go. Sometimes the editor, it doesn't quite pick up what I'm doing, or maybe I'm moving too fast for it. This row, add that switch back in. Okay, so let's say you want to use this. Go ahead and go to the Appearance Theme File Editor, and it's just this code right here is all you need to add. Just copy that code, add that to your other Divi projects, and you can have that same feature in your Divi projects. But that's how you use the switch feature to make sure things switch on mobile like you want. All right, cheers, y'all.